Okay, we are at Unit 1411, Lexington Apartments. We are going to be running from the kitchen sink. They have an access panel already cut out where they have been running their machines through. I tried running my machine, only getting about 10 feet before I'm hitting something hard. And it's coming back polished, which is telling me something's broke. And this is cast iron below ground. Okay, here we go. And we are underwater. Okay, I am going down with the camera. As you can see, that water just sitting in the bottom of the pipe. I cannot see any other issues, but as soon as I hit that water, it stops. And I'm pulling mud back on my camera, which is telling me it's the 90 right there that is broke, and we're going straight down into the mud. We are going to locate this, and I will send in an estimate form to dig it up and replace 90 Right there, I am stopped. I am in the mud.